we were doing chapter number system, and today we will finish this chapter, right? And our whole syllabus with revision will be completed, right? So let's start from even and odd numbers, the new topic which we have already done, but आज new topic से start करेंगे, even and odd numbers. So quickly write in the chat box what are even numbers. Even numbers, that how we get to know that this number is even or this number is odd. So what is the difference, how we get to know even and odd number? Which are divided by 2, okay, ID with Anisha. Or other method which I have told you, I have not told you the numbers which are divided by 2. This is right, yes, but the main thing which we will see, yes, Yakshit Thakur, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. What is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8? You should write complete. That it there should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Where? कहाँ पे होनी चाहिए ये 0, 2, 4, 6, 8? At which place value ones, tens, 100,000? Where? Josna, I am visible. My video is on. So even numbers are those which have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at its ones place. Right? Ones place you can say, or the last. Right? Ones place or the last. जो भी हमारे नंबर का लास्ट डिजिट होता है, like 458. So last digit is 8. So we will check whether 8 is even or odd, like this, right? So even numbers are those whose ones place digits are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And odd numbers are those whose ones place digits are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The last digits, right? So now I'm giving you numbers. So you will tell me whether these numbers are odd or even, right? So first number is 3055. Tell me, is this odd or even? 3055. Odd or even? Viva ma'am, I'm not visible.
You are perfectly visible, Purnima ma'am.
Students are writing in the chat box, you are not visible. But more answers are also there. So, bache, if I am not visible to you, please check your connection. Yes, this is odd. Why this is odd? Because there is 5 at ones place digit, and we know when 5 will be there at ones place digit, that numbers are odd numbers, right? So this is odd. Next is 4500. I'm just writing O for odd, and I will write E for even. Okay, I will not write the complete word. So now 4500, this number is even or odd? Astik, okay. Dhankor has written O, Gavneet Samar E, Dinesh O. अच्छे से देखो, is this O? Is this odd? Odd में condition है 13579, but here the last digit is 0 and 0 is in even numbers. Piyush, you have written odd. Jivesh has written odd. I don't know you are writing answers of the previous or this one. So 4500 is even number. Already I have, we have done this, that there is a 0 at last. And starting में भी मैंने आपको बता दिया कि 0 जो होता है last में, these are the even numbers. It's simple. So let's do next. Third, third one is 6501. Now this number is 6501 is odd or even? Jivesh has written even, others are writing odd. So let's see. Again, Gavneet has written E. Summer odd. Even Jakshit. So how it could be even? Yakshit, how it could be even? Jivesh. As you can see clearly, even numbers are those जहाँ पे 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 होता है last में at its ones place, and here the last digit is 1. So the number with the last digit is 1 are the odd numbers. So this is odd. So very good to those who are writing odd in the chat box for this. So this is odd number. But you just have to remember these just 5 digits. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 even है. बाकी जो बच गए वो odd है. Already मैंने आपको बताया था. Let's see easiest way to do this. So let's start doing counting, right? So I am writing counting here and I am starting from 0, okay? 0, right? So we will skip 1, 1. 0, after 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And 8 के बाद आता है 10 after skipping 1. लेकिन 10 में last digit है 0, so 0 we have already written. So after 0, what will be there? 1. 2 के बाद 3, 4 के बाद 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are odd numbers. These are even numbers. Simple. So we have just completed the counting and we will not write after that 10. Why? Because 10 end hota hai pe 0 pe, but we have already talked about 0, right? Simple. So these are even and odd numbers. So now I am giving you numbers again. This is written over the board. So you will answer. Next is number 4, 573. 573. Is this odd or even? 573. No problem, Dhankar. You can start from this. You just need to clear your concept. No problem. Yes, Krishnam, this is also right. The number which is being divided by 2 is even numbers. लेकिन आपको मैं अगर एक चीज पूछूं, ठीक है? Yes, this is odd. This is odd number. Why? Because 3 is at the last. 3 is the last digit, and 3 is in the family of odd. ठीक है? अभी कृष्णम आपने मुझे बताया कि वो नंबर जो 2 से डिवाइड होते हैं वो इवन होते हैं. Very right. मतलब ये right है. It's correct. But अगर मैं ये big number लिखूं 4, 5, 3, 6, इसके लिए पहले आपको 2 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा ना. पहले आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि ये 2 से डिवाइड होता है कि नहीं. So this is long procedure. So easiest way is just to check the last digit. Simple. कि ये last digit 2 से डिवाइड होता है कि नहीं. If it is doing, अगर ये हो रहा है तो है, नहीं तो नहीं है. Or otherwise just remember these digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Simple. Because अगर आप बिग नंबर की बात कर रहे हो तो उसके लिए आपको पूरी कैलकुलेशन करके देखनी पड़ती है कि whether it is being divided by 2 or not. So it is the easiest way. It is the easiest way, right? Samrit, we are just doing even and odd numbers. इसके अलावा मैंने कुछ नहीं करवाया अभी. I'm just discussing about it. Okay. So next is, this is last one, right? 408. No. 4,000. 4,000. So this is even or odd? Okay, Astik. Astik, just write your answer one time. Gavneet, Dhankar. Priyanka, please ask by writing. Abhinav, okay. Now no one has written odd. Because you know, 0 comes in the family of E. Even numbers. So this is even numbers. बस आपको ये बच्चे याद रखना है that 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 even है, जो बाकी बच गए वो odd है. Simple. इसके लिए मैंने आपको जब हमने ये सिलेबस में किया था, सो आई हैव आल्सो टेकन द बिग नंबर आल्सो, बिग नंबर लाइक 5 4 3 2 6 7. So this number is 6-digit number. So I have just taken 6-digit number. So you can easily say, is this number is even or odd? By this method. Is this number is even or odd? You can check by just checking the last digit. Odd, Harsh has written, Sambeet has written. Odd, yes, very good. So now this number is 6-digit number. So we have not done anything about 6-digit number because this is not in our syllabus. But I have just asked you to check whether this number is even or odd. कोई भी big number आ जाए, you can easily say by this method. So it will be difficult for you to divide it by 2. पहले आप देखोगे कि ये 2 से divide हो रहा है कि नहीं. It will be wrong way. So this is the shortcut. So now have you understood, बच्चे? Show me your thumbs up if you are clear. So, wait, yes, show me your thumbs up. Mostly today the connection is weak. I'm unable to see you all. Ask it clear. So you can write in the chat box, but your videos are not visible to me. Little connection problem is there. So even and odd number is done. So next one is sum related to even and odd number, right? So one sum I will take, write the successor of greatest 3-digit even number. Firstly, understand this, what I am writing here. Okay, so I am explaining it. ID with Raj Kaval, bachche, you are eating something. Raj Kaval, are you hungry? Bachche, if you are hungry, so please, अगर आपको ज़्यादा भूख लगी है, तो you can off your video. But this is not the right way. आपको पहले खा के आना चाहिए. We are just here for 40 minutes. I think you can control. Okay, Astik has written 1000, Seerath has written 998. So let's see. Astik, is your answer is right? 1000 is a 4-digit number, but I have asked about 3-digit number. Compare it. Yes, bache, you need to write this in notebook. Samrit. So I'm going to explain this first. You have to write the successor. वो बाद में देखेंगे. Of greatest 3-digit even number. But firstly, we will see which is the greatest 3-digit number. Okay, so greatest 3-digit number is 999. Josna has written 999. Okay, but they have asked greatest 3-digit even number. Now you will check, is 999 is even? You will check, is even 999 or this is odd? Tell me, 999 is? 999 is even. Abhinav, even hai ye? Think, bache. Samrit, Dhankar, Josna, Tanya. Yes, this is odd because 9 comes in the family of odd numbers. Okay, but they have asked कि आपने greatest 3-digit even number लेना है. So this is not even number. So इसके एक पीछे आ जाएंगे, इसके हम आगे नहीं जा सकते क्योंकि 999 के आगे आता है 1000, but 1000 is a 4-digit number. We need 3-digit number. So we will take a previous number 998. So now this number is 3-digit number. Yes, this is 3-digit number. Now we will check, is this number is odd or even? So this is even number because at one's place there is 8 and 8 जो है वो even numbers की family में आता है. So the correct answer is 998. Right? Have you understood? So I am going to write it in a correct way. Okay? So how we will write this? Firstly, we will write the greatest 3-digit even number is 998. Firstly, we have written this. हमने ये फाइंड आउट कर लिया है कि ग्रेटेस्ट 3 डिजिट इवन नंबर जो है वो 998 है. नाउ वी हैव टू राइट इट्स सक्सेसर, राइट? सो दिस इज द कंप्लीट स्टेटमेंट. नाउ वी विल राइट इट्स सक्सेसर इज 998 plus 1. So we will get 999. So the answer is 999. So you have to write in a complete way. If this type of sums will be there in the exam, you will not write just answer. Okay? You will not get complete marks. अगर आप ऐसे complete way में लिखोगे, show करोगे that firstly you have find the greatest 3-digit even number, then you calculated the successor, then you have written the answer. So this will be the complete sum. Not just writing the answer 999, you will not get the complete marks. Okay. ID with Priyanka Kelly, you are asking about which Google form? So this is the answer. So have a look on this for 1 minute. अच्छे से देख लो. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Okay. So by the time I'm just revising all the topics which we have already done in number systems. Yesterday we have done expanded and short form. Okay. Then we have done successor and predecessor. Today we have done even and odd numbers. And to make the greatest 4-digit number, yesterday we have done कि आपको digits दिए होंगे, आपने उस digit से greatest number भी बनाना है and smallest number भी बनाना है, right? Skip counting we have already done. So by this, I think we are done with the full chapter number system. Is okay, ascending and descending order is done. Have we done yesterday ascending and descending? Yes, we have done. Comparing the number is done. Yes, today today is our last maths class, okay, of this PT1. Today is our last maths class. Okay, so after that we are going to do plane shapes. So with this, our syllabus with whole revision will be done. So I hope you all must have done this. Now I am going to erase it. Now we are coming to plane shapes. And before ending the class, I need 5 minutes to explain that how you will attempt the paper. Okay? अच्छे से सुनना है आपने मुझे. आपके जो doubts होंगे, I will clear. No problem. So next is plane shapes. Already we have done plane shapes. Recently हमने किया था, last week ही किया था. So we have 4 plane shapes: square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. So its shape and its definition, you know each and everything, because these 4 things we have already done in 2nd class also. Okay, square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. You must know its definition, right? How to draw this. And the new thing which we have done in 3rd class is its sides and its vertices, right? So I will explain all. So firstly, the square is, you will just listen to me. There is no need to write on the notebooks. Okay, just listen me. हम सिर्फ समझेंगे. We will not waste time by writing because already we have written this many a times. So first one is square. A square is a closed figure. Josna बच्चे please wait. Please, मैंने बोला आपको. Firstly, we will complete this. You are writing many a times. कितनी बार आपने एक ही चीज लिख दी? मैंने पहले आपको बोला. I will take your doubts. Please wait. So first one is square, a closed figure which has 4 sides and all its sides are, quickly write in the chat box. You will complete my definition. All its sides are, I'm waiting. A closed figure with 4 sides and all its sides are, Harsh, मैं क्या पूछ रही हूँ? Its all sides are, yes, Sameer, Dhankor, Josna, equal. 4 तो मैंने बोल दिया. So for this you also need to be attentive कि मैंने क्या बोला और मैंने क्या छोड़ा. And the things which I am leaving, you will complete it. I have already told you, you will complete my definition. Yes, a closed figure which has 4 sides and all its sides are equal. So this is square. So a square has 4 sides and a square has dash vertices. Now tell me, A square has dash vertices. Yes, Mannat, Harsh, or Sameer. 4 vertices. Yes, very good. So a square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. And one new thing we have done, that we will name the square. Okay, we will name it A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S, or D, E, F, G. Any alphabets we can give at the corners. Right? Done. So next we are moving to rectangle. A rectangle is a closed figure, right? It has 4 sides and its dash sides are equal. Rectangle. A rectangle is a closed figure. It has 4 sides and its dash sides are equal. 2 sides. Sameer? 2 sides are equal, but this is not the complete way to complete it definition. Its dash sides are equal. Yes, Vaibhav, Dhankor. Very good. Opposite sides are equal. So this is the complete definition. It is a closed figure. It has 4 sides, right? And its opposite sides are equal. Ekveer, Dinesh, Kanupriya, yes. Its opposite sides are equal. Now, a rectangle has 4 sides. And how many vertices does a rectangle have? How many sides, vertices a rectangle have? Yes, 4. And we will name a rectangle like A, B, C, D, or any P, Q, R, S like this. So next we are moving to triangle. Okay, so a triangle is a closed figure, and how many sides does the triangle have? You will write in the chat box. M, P, Q, R. Harsh, मैंने आपको पहले बोला था, you will write line wise. P, Q, R, S, M, N, O, P, like this. जैसे ABCD में होता है ना? So we will write it in clockwise or anti-clockwise. We will write line wise. 33 अक्षित, 33 vertices होते हैं या sides होती हैं a triangle? क्योंकि आपने ज्यादा प्रेस किया, so it is becoming 33. So 33 is wrong answer. 3, yes. A triangle has 3 sides. Yes, Amrit, D, E, F, G for rectangle. Okay. Now, a triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 vertices, and we will name our triangle. क्या name देंगे हम इसे? You can name it by your own. कैसे लिखेंगे? Tell me. What will be the right way? P, Q, R, S. ये तो एक rectangle के लिए हो गया. Triangle, बच्चे, हरसीरत. Triangle के लिए आप क्या लिखोगे? P, Q, R. Yes, Sameer. Very good. And capital letters you have written. Very nice. Ekveer, P, Q, R. Harsirat, A, B, C. Yes, good. No, बच्चे, no need to write in notebook. We are just revising it. Just Raj, A, B, C. Yes, Yakshit, A, B, C. But you need to write in capital letters. जब आप exam में भी कोई shape draw करोगे, आप name दोगे अपनी shape को with capital letters. You will not write small letters. We never name our corners, our vertices in small letters. We always use capital letters. अभी chat box में अगर आप लिख रहे हो, no problem. Okay. So, and last one is circle. So, a closed figure followed by a fixed distance and followed by a fixed distance from a fixed, complete this definition, from a fixed center, from a fixed point. Sirat, yes, very good. Dhankor, Ekveer, from a fixed point. A closed figure followed by a fixed distance from a fixed point. और उस पॉइंट को ही सेंटर बोलते हैं. नो प्रॉब्लम, उस पॉइंट को ही हम सेंटर बोलते हैं. सो नाउ हाउ मेनी साइड्स डज अ सर्कल हैज? अ सर्कल हैज डैश साइड्स, राइट? अ सर्कल हैज डैश साइड्स. धनकौर, जोशना, हर्ष, 0 sides, no sides. Yes, you can also write 0 or you can write no. 0 or no. Yes. So does a circle has any vertices? Is circle has any corner? A circle has any corner point? No. So 0 sides, zero vertices. It only has a center point, just. Okay? And we will not name our circle क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता हमारे circle का starting point क्या है और ending point क्या है. And now in third class, you will draw a circle using a bangle or using a compass. Write in the chat box. How you will draw circle? With bangle or with compass? Compass. Yes. So this time we will use compass. We will not use bangle, right? So practice more and more how to use compass. Okay. So we have discussed each and everything about all the shapes. Okay. So now, yes, Josna. Ma'am, please unmute Josna. What do you want to ask? Wait, बच्चे, I will not take each and every one doubt, right? क्योंकि it is not possible for me. But मैं हर चीज explain करूंगी how you will attempt the paper. So Josna, you can unmute yourself, and by the time mark your attendance, fill the attendance form ma'am has sent you. Yes, tomorrow there will be no class. No math class, बच्चे. There will be your English class. Let me check. आपकी class होगी. I am just talking about my math class. So let me see. You are in third, so your class is English. English class will be there, बच्चे. Tomorrow आपकी English class होगी because I think your first paper is of English. So कल आपकी English class होगी, but there will be no math class. That's why I'm explaining each and everything today. Firstly, quickly mark your attendance. Yes, only English, Dhankar, only English. And the time will be the same, 11:15. जैसे आगे भी आपकी क्लास होती है 11:15. आपको ग्रुप में आ जाएगा बच्चे लिंक, you can see. And Krishika is drawing circle. That's good. Astik, you has written, ma'am, my advance is not work. What you have written? How I will understand this, बच्चे? So, ma'am, now please unmute Josna. Google form is not working. It's working, बच्चे. So no problem. ठीक है? No problem. I will mark your attendance.
Ma'am,
Yes, बच्चे.
writing the successor of greater 3-digit even number मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
बच्चे जब बोर्ड पे था, ओके आपने लिखा होगा.
Ma'am, write the
ओके, मैं दोबारा एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ.
okay, ma'am.
So the sum was successor बाद में देखेंगे. You know how to calculate the successor. So मैंने ये लिखा था greatest 3-digit even number. Okay. Firstly, tell me, Josna, greatest 3-digit number. Quickly, greatest 3-digit number is? Are you muted?
999.
Yes, 999 is greatest 3-digit number. But they have asked you have to take the even number. अब आप check करो, ये even number है? Is this even number?
No, ma'am.
No, है ना? तो इट मीन्स हम इसके पीछे
No,
जाएंगे,
ma'am.
998, एक बैक जाएंगे. नाउ 998 इज इवन, yes, so
Yes.
this is the number which we required. See, ये 3-digit number भी है, ये even number भी है. It means 999 is greatest 3-digit even number. अब हमने इसका successor find out करना था. Simple. Successor means we have to add +1. So answer is 999. Now are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So no problem बच्चे, leave the attendance form. अगर आपका नहीं हुआ, leave the attendance form. No problem. So now, 5 minutes are left. Firstly, give me 5 minutes. I need to explain how you will attempt the paper. Already we are giving you practice assignments, right? In practice assignment, what was there? There was a Google form and there was a PDF. And at that time, आप खुद अपना answer check करते थे, हम आपको answer key share करते थे, and you need to check your own answers, right? And the same way, the PT1 PDF and Google form will come, लेकिन वो हम check करेंगे, right? But इसमें क्या होगा? The pattern will be same. There will be Google form, there will be a PDF, ठीक है? You will not do it on loose sheet. You can do it any notebook or any loose sheet. You need to make a PDF or send it to me. जब मेरा मैथ्स का एग्जाम होगा, ठीक है, जैसे भी आपको सम आएंगे, गूगल फॉर्म तो जब आप सबमिट करोगे वो तो मुझे ऐसे ही मिल जाएगा, ठीक है, डायरेक्टली. लेकिन जब आप गूगल फॉर्म अटेम्प्ट करोगे, एंड फर्स्टली माय एडवाइस टू यू इज कि आप सबसे पहले गूगल फॉर्म अटेम्प्ट करोगे, राइट? गूगल फॉर्म व्हेन यू विल अटेम्प्ट, गूगल फॉर्म अटेम्प्ट करने के बाद वहां पे लिखा आता है दैट योर रिस्पॉन्स हैज बीन सबमिटेड, ऐसे कुछ लिखा आता है. जब वो चीज लिखी आएगी ना बच्चे, आप उस चीज का स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो, आप अपने लिए भी एक रिकॉर्ड रख सकते हो दैट यू हैव फिल्ड द गूगल फॉर्म, राइट? दैट यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर गूगल फॉर्म. एंड आफ्टर दैट आप अपनी पीडीएफ खोलोगे, उसके लिए आप अपनी नोटबुक रेडी रखोगे, नोटबुक और एनी लूज शीट. फिर जब आपका हो जाएगा, विद इन द गिवन टाइम आप क्या करोगे, आप उस चीज की क्लियर इमेज करोगे क्लिक. आप अपने आप कर सकते हो, यू कैन टेक योर एल्डर्स हेल्प, यू विल क्लिक द क्लियर इमेजेस एंड यू विल मेक अ पीडीएफ. आप नहीं बनाओगे, आपके मम्मा पापा को आता होगा, ब्रदर सिस्टर को, क्योंकि आपको 1 साल हो गया ये चीजें करते हुए. दिस इज नॉट न्यू थिंग. आप उन इमेजेस की पीडीएफ बनाओगे, उस पीडीएफ को रीनेम करोगे अपना नेम लिख के, राइट? एंड यू विल सेंड इट टू मी. और प्लीज जो लेट होंगे वो मुझे बाद में एक्सक्यूज नहीं देंगे कि मैम ऐसे हो गया या वैसे हो गया या कुछ भी, जब तक कोई जेन्युइन रीजन नहीं होता. ओके, सिंपल. लेट कमर्स जो होंगे उनके एक्सक्यूजेस नहीं लिए जाएंगे. क्लियर हुआ? सो गूगल फॉर्म आएगा, पीडीएफ आएगी, गूगल फॉर्म आपने जस्ट फिल करना है, उसके रिस्पॉन्स अपने आप सबमिट हो जाएंगे, मेरे तक पहुंच जाएंगे. पीडीएफ को आपने अपनी शीट पे जो है सॉल्व करना है, अपने अपने आंसर्स, उसकी फोटो खींचनी है, उसकी पीडीएफ बनानी है, उसको रीनेम करना है एंड सेंड इट टू मी. सिंपल एंड विद इन द गिवन टाइम. कोई लंबा प्रोसीजर नहीं है. सुनने में जरूर लग रहा है कि पता नहीं कितना डिफिकल्ट है, लेकिन दिस इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट. आपके लिए होगा लेकिन आपके बड़ों के लिए नहीं होगा. ऑलरेडी वी हैव स्पेंट 1 year डूइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स. आप सबको भी आ गया है, आपकी फैमिली को भी आ गया है. हमने पिछले पूरा साल ऐसे ही टीचर्स को वर्क सेंड किया है, अपने पेपर्स सेंड किए हैं, फाइनल पेपर्स सेंड किए हैं. सो दिस वे वी विल डू अगेन. ओके, yes, Vaibhav has written मुझे आता है, that's good. Yes बच्चे, you need to make PDF because PDF will be easy to make record. आपका वहां पे नेम होगा. अगर आप इमेजेस भेजोगे वो मेरे पास सेव करनी इजी नहीं होंगी. हो सकता है एक इमेज कहीं हो, एक इमेज कहीं हो, बीच में किसी और की इमेज आ जाए. सो इट्स बेटर जब आप मुझे पीडीएफ भेजोगे, एक जगह पे आपकी वो पीडीएफ है जो वो सेव रहेगी. क्लियर? और अपनी पीडीएफ के ऊपर जहां पे आपने अपने सम्स को सॉल्व करना है, वहां पे आपका नेम लिखा होना चाहिए. नेम, क्लास, रोल नंबर, सेक्शन. सिंपल. विदाउट नेम इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू चेक. हो सकता है मेरे पास किसी का नंबर सेव ना हो, राइट? सो आप सबसे पहले अपने पीडीएफ सॉल्व करने से पहले यू विल राइट योर नेम, क्लास, रोल नंबर, सेक्शन ऑन द शीट. उसके बाद आप अच्छे वे से सम सॉल्व करोगे और इतने अच्छे वे से आप इमेजेस को क्लिक करोगे और उसकी पीडीएफ बनाओगे. सो आई थिंक आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड इट नाइसली. आपको अभी कोई वो डाउट नहीं है? नो प्रॉब्लम नेहा. अगर आपके पास अभी मैथ शीट नहीं है आप मंगवा सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अभी आपका एग्जाम दूर है, 25 या 26 को है आपका 3rd क्लास का, ठीक है? सो यू कैन मैनेज. अगर फिर भी मैनेज ना हो तो नॉर्मल कोई भी नोटबुक हो आप वहां पे लिख के यू कैन सेंड मी. आई एम नॉट सो मच रिजिड कि मैं एक्सेप्ट नहीं करूंगी, लेकिन आपका होना चाहिए टाइम पे. अरमान बच्चे प्लीज जल्दी से चैट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हो, हमारी मीटिंग फिनिश होने वाली है. क्विकली मैम प्लीज अनम्यूट अरमान वालजोट.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम.
यस बच्चे
मैम
हाँ जी.
बट मैम मैम हमें ये कैसे पता लगता है कि जैसे आपने लिखवाया था डी, तो मैम आप ऐसे करके लिखते ECDE ऐसे मैम आप करके 2 डिजिट्स लिखते हो मैम, हमें वो कैसे पता लगेगा कि कैसे लिखते
बच्चे
हैं?
मीटिंग फिनिश होने वाली है, आप मुझे कॉल कर लो. अब भी कॉल कर सकते हो आप, मैं आंसर कर दूंगी या मुझे मैसेज कर देना, मैं अपनी वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग भेज दूंगी.